Hi children, now we are going to discuss exercise 6.2 question number 10. If A vector, B vector, C vector be three non-zero vectors such that C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. C is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. If the angle between A vector and B vector is pi by 6, and show that box ABC the whole square is equal to 1 by 4 1 by 4 determinant of A vector square, determinant of modulus of A vector square, modulus of B vector square. So the given that C is a unit vector, so consider A vector and B vector, two vector, and these two perpendicular to what? The unit vector. So unit vector C vector. So this is what? Unit vector A cross B. So angle between A vector and B vector equal to what? Pi by 6. So modulus of C means what? It is a unit vector, that is equal to what? 1. So angle between C vector and A cross B, that is equal to what? 0. Angle between C vector and A cross B, that is equal to 0 because it is perpendicular. So that is angle between C vector and A vector A cross B is equal to what? 0. So next LHS I am going to take. What is LHS? Box A vector, B vector, C vector equal to the whole square. So first A vector, B vector, box A vector, B vector, C vector, we can write A vector dot B cross C or B vector dot C cross A or C vector dot A cross B. So already you know box ABC we use A vector dot B cross C. இது மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும் அவசியம் இல்லை. ஸோ B dot C vector, B vector dot C cross C கூட எழுதலாம், and C vector dot A cross B கூட எழுதலாம். Okay. So the next, so LHS I am going to take box part of A vector, B vector, C vector the whole square, that is equal to, we have to use A vector, B vector, C vector the whole square because C and A cross B தான் use பண்ணுறோம். So that's why we take C vector dot A cross B. So box ABC பதில் என்ன பண்ணுறேன்? C vector dot A cross B use பண்ணுறேன். So C vector dot A cross B the whole square. So now already you know that A vector dot B vector, that is equal to what is the formula? Modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector cos theta. So now C vector dot A cross B, we have to use the same formula. So what will get? Modulus of C vector, modulus of A vector cross B vector cos theta the whole square. So now already know modulus of C vector, that is unit vector, value 1 cross 1 into modulus of A vector cross B vector into cos theta. So here theta value what? 0 because already know C vector and A cross B angle between theta is equal to what? 0. Angle between C vector and A cross B is equal to what? 0. That's why I am going to substitute theta equal to 0. So we'll get modulus of A vector cross B vector the whole square. So already know modulus of A vector cross B vector, you know. So modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector sin theta 1 because already you use here theta, so that's why I am going to use theta 1. So the distance between, angle between A vector and B vector, what is that angle? Pi by 6. So pi by 6 I am going to substitute here. So modulus of A vector, modulus of B vector sin theta equal to what? Pi by 6. So modulus of, I am going to expand this. So modulus of A vector square, modulus of B vector square, sin theta, sin pi by 6, that is sin 30. Sin 30 degree value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. So totally we get, so 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 modulus of A vector square, modulus of B vector square, that is equal to RHS. So RHS value 1 by 4 modulus of A vector square, modulus of B vector square. So this is the answer for this sum. Clear? Thank you.